Welcome to this guided breathwork and mind connection session leading to a flow state at the end with a brief meditation. My wife Ashley and I are both yoga teacher certified and specialize in breathwork pranayama, and we're going to explain this today and guide you through here as well.
Yeah, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up your space intentionally. So whatever that looks like, so you're going to grab a chair that's comfortable for you to sit in, and if you're doing this as a couple, that's great, but you can also do this by yourself as well. If you are doing this as a couple, make sure that you leave enough space like David and I have, and you can put your feet flat on the ground or tippy toe, whatever that looks like. But what we're going to be going through is 3 different sections here. So we're going to start off with cat-cow, then we're going to go into rapid fire breathing, and we are going to end in a flow meditation 5-minute state.
Perfect. So we're going to go ahead here, as Ashley said, we have our chairs, everything is set up. Ashley, go ahead and demonstrate what a cat-cow is before we get into it, please.
Okay, so cat-cow is where you're going to go ahead and inhale, and you really want to arch your back and look up to the sky. And then as you exhale, you're going to slowly roll your neck down to your chest and chin and arch your back and spine. Inhale up, exhale down.
So we're going to go ahead and do 10 of these. I'm going to guide you through. Ashley's going to be demonstrating along the way, and then we'll go into a rapid fire breath afterwards. Then there are 3 different rounds we are doing, and we end in a unique way, and then we go into that flow state on here. So let's go ahead and we're going to begin. So Ashley's going to go ahead and breathe in first, nice and arch all the way back. Then breathe out. Bend the back, chin to chest. Breathe in, nice and arch. Breathe out, chin to chest, bend around the back. Breathe in, arch all the way out, head up. Breathe out, chin to chest, nice and round the back. 6 more, breathe in. Keep going, Ashley. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And really feel the energy building up. Breathe in. Really feel that energy. There we go, there's 8. There we go. There's 9. Nice deep one. Then we're going to move into rapid fire breathing. Breathe out. Ashley, explain rapid fire breath.
Rapid fire breath is where you're using your nose only, and you're inhaling and exhaling ideally through your nose only, but if you can also, you can do your mouth, but ideally you're going to do rapid fire breathing for 30 seconds and really do the breathing from your belly. Ready and go. $20, 10, 5, and release.
Okay, back to cat-cow. Deep breath in. A little faster now. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Using that cat-cow. Breathe in. Nice and arch all the way up. Breathe out. Chin to chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Chin to chest. Breathe in. Nice big arch. Round back down. Chin to chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4 to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Nice big arch all the way back. Breathe out. Chin to chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. That's 9. 1 more to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then return.
All right, return back to rapid fire breathing and go. $20, 10, 5, and now we're gonna go back,
back to cat-cow. Breathe in, slowing it down. Breathe out, chin to chest. Breathe in, nice big arch. Round back down, chin to chest. There's 2. Ashley's gonna keep going here. Really feel that energy. Really align with the body on here. That's 3. Deep breath in. Breathe out, chin to chest. Just keep going. So take note of how your body feels. The power of that breath on there. how you're in control of this. This is always in your own power to utilize that breath. Enjoy this moment. Continue to breathe in. Nice big arch. Breathe out. Breathe in. Nice big arch. Breathe out. We have 2 more to go here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, last one. Nice big breath in. Breathe out. And now Ash is going to explain the breath hold next.
And now what we're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and breathe in and hold your breath for 30 seconds. If you can't, that's okay, but ideally you want to go for 30 seconds. So you're going to go ahead and breathe in, hold, $20, 10, 5. Now on 0, you're going to go ahead and release a deep sigh. And 0, release. Beautiful. Now your body probably right now feels so warmed up and connected.
And now we'll return to your natural breath. And now what you can do is just lean back in your chair. Just lean back in your chair, put your legs out, really let it loose, and just melt in that chair. And we're going to sit here for 5 minutes of this meditative state. For the first minute, we'll be in silence. And then we'll get some guiding kind of prompts or ideas along the way. So just let go, keep your eyes closed, and enjoy this moment. Just keeping your eyes closed here. We've got about 4 minutes left here. Just enjoy this. And just really think about what you did here today. Really feel what you accomplished here today. How using your own breath in different ways can give you this feeling. How using your own breath in different ways can give you this release, this empowerment, or whatever it may be for you. And it's something that you always have with you. And you can take time for it. It's so overlooked. And just that prana, the force, the life, the energy, even though it might be invisible, we all know it exists and we can all feel it. And you need to just allow it to be. Whatever may come over these next few minutes remaining, let it come.
And just also give yourself that gratitude, that thanks for giving yourself the permission to connect with yourself and spend this intentional time with yourself or with each other as with your couple. So it's just really that time to just listen. Such a superpower.
And if you are doing this as a couple here today, it's just a shared space, a shared experience, a shared energy. It's something that you can do, if you even have kids like we do, maybe do it at night or in the morning before they go to school or wake up. And if you don't have kids, of course you can do it. And if you're doing this here by yourself, it's still a powerful exercise as well. So we got our final minute here. Just always knowing that love exists. There are a lot of hard times. There are a lot of dark times for a lot of people as well. Remember that love deep within inside you, that love of self, that love of life, just that gratitude and that appreciation that can be hard at moments. It's still it is. I want you to keep your eyes closed here. I have about 10 seconds to go here, but what I'd like you to do here is I want you to go ahead, your eyes shut, take a deep breath in through your nose, ideally deep breath in, all the way in, all the way in. Put a big smile on your face. And when you open your eyes, if you have a partner with you, just look at your partner. If you don't have one, ideally look out the window. Look at the sky, the moon, the stars, the sun, whatever it may be. And we just really hope that here today, this has brought you just a unique experience and a unique feeling. We value all of you out there.
We do.
We'd always love to hear your feedback, to hear your comments, to hear how we continue to helping people out there. Ashley?
And just thank you so much for spending this intentional time, and we hope it brought you love and light.
And as always, sending you abundance of love, light, and life.